What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Hermes unboxing. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. I left with the orange bag, so I'm gonna come back with the orange bag. Okay. And I know that I was gone for almost a year. I will get into that later in a different video. I'm going to come back with a lot of videos for you guys. And also I'm gonna start vlogging finally. I think I'm finally ready to start vlogging. I waited to show you guys, so let's get into it. Here is the box, so we're gonna pull the ribbon. Thing I see is this a care booklet? This is my first Hermes purse, so I do not know. So yeah, this is a care booklet. The receipt, and I'm going to share the price with you after we see the bag. So yeah, so it comes wrapped like this. And here it is in the dust bag. Can you guys guess what it is? Oh, this is a mini Evelyne bag, which it is so cute, and it is black with gold hardware. You can see the gold more there, and then right here you can see the H kind of engraving. I don't know what that's called to like give it the proper name. Side, you get the strap. It comes in another dust bag, which is super nice. And yeah, so I went into Hermes because, like I said earlier, I am playing the Hermes game for a Birkin. And my SA is super sweet there. Her name is Kim. I love her. I went in there one day and a lady was looking at this bag, but in a different color. I asked if there was this bag in a different color because I kept seeing this all over Instagram, and it's just so cute. And I don't have any black bags with gold hardware, so I really wanted to get this bag. I just think it's so cute, and I just think it looks pretty deceiving. Like, I think it will fit way more than you think it will. So she brought this to me and I love it, so I'm happy to start using this, but I wanted to show you guys first. So this is the mini Evelyne in Clemence leather. It is noir, and it retails for $2,050. The strap, it's black with gold hardware. It is removable, but it's not adjustable. I'm 5'4", 5'5" for reference, so it hits me kind of in like the perfect spot. So if you are my height or shorter, just know that it could be a good crossbody. I'm not sure if you are taller than I am, if it will hit you in a good spot. I really think in the fall and winter months that I'm gonna enjoy the black and gold hardware, and it's gonna have me like buying more things that are black and gold, but that's okay. And that is it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.